When you start investing regularly or more professionally, one of the first things you'll want to do is organize your stocks. You might create folders for stocks you own, stocks you have bought, or ones you are monitoring. In TransStock, you can easily set this up. First, you'll create a new folder, then you'll add stocks to it. Let me show you how. Click on the favorites group. Select My Selections, then click the Add button and enter a suitable name for your folder. Organize. Create. Now, let's add some stocks to this folder. There are several ways to do this, but in this video, I'll use the company finder with the ticker option. I'll add 3 stocks. Select ticker and type the ticker DHI. Enter. Right-click on the correct company name. Click Selections. Choose one or more folders. Then press Save. I will repeat this process for the next 2 stocks. Ticker PRU. Enter. Prudential PLC. Right mouse click. Selections. Select folder. Save. And last one. Ticker UNA. Enter. Unilever. Selections. Select. Save. I'll close the window. On the right side, you see the added companies. This makes it easy to track your favorite stocks. Good luck!